What is up guys, it is me, Leapex, and today I'm going to be doing an outfit overview of what it looks like on me and doing like a proper showing every piece one by one. So I've already done one take of this and it completely failed, so that's gone and now I'm doing another one. If you can tell, the audio and the quality might be 10 times better than my past videos. That's because I'm using a camera that is now probably outdated, so I will sometime in the future be getting a new camera, but for now on I've got my new rig, my phone. But I prefer it on this because it goes straight onto my laptop, to be honest with you, instead of SD cards and whatnot. Anyway, none of that. So this is what it looks like on me. If this was a larger top, this would be absolutely massive on me. This is only a small. The only reason why I went for a small, because I do have a black one of these but short sleeved, and the sleeves on it are very bit too small, and the fitting of the top is massively small on me. So, and it's the same company, so I decided to go for a small one to see how it would fit, because long sleeve tops tend to be larger, and I was right. Yeah. So as you can tell, I've got the British flag there and the British flag there, exactly the same colour. I like the black and white scheme. It's just more noticeable, I guess. Like, not when it comes to camo, well yeah, camo wise actually, because you got the multi-cam and then you've just got black and white, but I like the black and white style. If none of you do, then well, oh well. I went for this vest as a beginner's vest, not as a, I have absolute massive knowing of what I'm doing on the field, because if I run on the field I'm going to be hella bad on the field. But I know what I'm doing, but at the same time I don't know what I'm doing. I'm getting used to everything still, so I've just gone for starter gear really. I'll do an updated one of these videos in the future, don't know when, don't even ask. As you can tell, I'm wearing a white top. That's only so I can get used to this. If I keep wearing it out, it makes it feel a lot like less itchy, because the material it's made out of is itchy, but I'm kind of getting used to it. So I will not be wearing this top, especially when this top's thermal. So right now I'm sweating like mad because I've got a thermal top on and just a normal t-shirt, so none of my body heat's going anywhere apart from this bedroom. I'm an outside player, not an inside player. If I was an inside player, I would not be able to deal with it. It's just too... I hate close quarters. I prefer far range shooting and outside, because I can get cold air to myself. I'm going to put all my headgear on after this, because if I had it on now, you would not be able to hear exactly what I'm saying at all. So I'll put all this on afterwards. I'll do cut, and then you can see exactly what the full outfit looks like. I do not have a cameraman, so I cannot do all these cinematic shots. I would be able to, because I've gone through high school and done media studies, and I know what shots to do, and I know how to edit and all this, but I don't have a cameraman, so I have to go by like this. I was thinking of doing outside shots, but I might do that, but not this week, most likely next week after airsofting. Anyway, I'm gonna cut this and I'm gonna put all my headgear on so you can see from top how it mixes. That's what I'm gonna say. So I know you probably can't hear me right now, but this is what my headgear looks like with this. This t-shirt will be taken off during game, or sorry, before I even play the game. I'm just not going to put it on at all. So I don't know how this is going to sound like. I'm going to have to edit the sound quality in this and probably bump it up so you can actually hear me what I'm saying, but I'm going to make this short. This is what it looks like from headgear with this. It mixes. That's all I'm going to say. I can't keep it on because otherwise it's gonna mix, but this is so I can have my helmet on and so I can cover my ears on the sides, because this helmet is bigger than my head. So I have this on, it covers the gaps. If you want to know more, watch my last video. Give you an overview. 3 magazine pouches, submachine guns. 1 utility pouch, this is for my goggles or if I'm getting sweaty or something like that. Obviously that will be, I don't like this, how this collar's acting with me. This, you're going to have to tell me exactly what that is in the comments. I'm thinking magazine pouch or grenade pouch. I know who will correct me on that. My dad will tell me exactly what it is because he was a serviceman in the RAF. He's done all this. So, admin pouch. Again, like last video, my phone will have to go here for my GoPro. So I'll have to shoot through all of this to get to my phone, which will have a case on. I'm not going to explain anymore. If you want to know that, you can watch my last video. Every main detail is in last video. That's all I'm going to say. Hot, tap basin, yeah, you know all that. So that's my upper. It's just a molly. That's all I'm going to say. It's a tactical plate carrier with a foam padding inside. I don't know. Should I keep foam or should I go for something like plastic, like just hard plastic? I'm not too sure. I think it's that, or I might just carry on with the foam. But anyway, so lower down here, I've got my pants, which obviously you can tell is completely different from the rest of my body. I've got my magazine, gun holster here, and then obviously lower down, I've got my Combat UK boots. Anyway, that's it. That's going to be it for this video, pretty much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video of what we make. See you later, gamers.